Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to do a Barry video, and then we're going to do the other guy video, and so on and so forth. But how have you guys Friday been? Barry hasn't put out no content. Hey Barry, we gonna go pick up that custom.
Don't you just keep putting out the same shorts, different title? That's clickbait, dude. That's clickbait.
But hang on, he does it in his live. He said he does it because it's getting him out there. Hey Barry, it's not getting you out there, but it's not getting you subs and views, buddy. How's that when I post a short or in a video, I go up 1 or 2 subs, but it takes you to the first of the month to go up 1 sub. And in this video, you're going to mouth off about fasting here. You're going to talk about him coming after your boy. Well, what about you coming after me, Jill? Well, what's my dad supposed to do? What's Mako's dad supposed to do?
Right. You come after Mako's boy talking about how you wasn't his and fucking, probably a mixed race baby at that. Ha, ha, ha. You still ain't explain what you meant by that, Barry.
So let me guess. Ryan's off limits, but everybody else's kids aren't off limits? I don't think so, Barry. Just because your boy's slow doesn't give him the fucking right to just be off limits to everybody. And your boy, you want to talk about me not being about it?
I still haven't seen nobody attack your fucking kid, so I'm waiting.
I mean, you want to talk about me not being about it? What about Lurch? He ran. At least you were standing there mounting your mouth. Come on, Dad. Not the 70s anymore, Dad.
Hi, guys. Welcome back to Beamer.
You act like fucking changing the master cylinder is fucking a 16-hour job.
Look, he's going to talk about bleeding these master cylinder off. He said, I put the plugs in it. They gave me they're solid plugs. How you going to bleed it if you got solid plugs in it? How's that going to go?
Stupid bastard. I mean, your boy don't belong to you, Barry. Y'all don't look alike.
I don't think I remember liking him.
I really don't think he does belong to
I don't think he does either. I think he's the milkman's.
The Mako opened up and
dope, man.
We're on it, but yeah, it's the pedal inside getting the rod to hook to that
painstaking,
Barry.
Hey, Barry. I bet old fast thing, man. I bet he could come over and have that job done in an hour. It took you fucking 3 days to get it done.
Problem I'm having, but sun's going down now.
Check out,
We got 2 bolts in it now. One there, one there.
Fucking Riri.
So there's 2 bolts in it. Just got to get it bolted up, but first we got to get the pedal hooked up.
So what have you been doing all day?
Them bolts, that one there, and that one there, and fill the master cylinder, pump the crap out of it. Basically, Vince bleeding it with the plugs they gave me that I've installed. Then pull them plugs out, shove them lines in there.
If they were solid plugs, they were just screwing your Owens so putting them everywhere is what they were for. Solid plugs, talking about bleeding the fucking master cylinder.
How's the air going to escape? Like, that's my question.
Fuck, man. He is fucking arrogant.
So,
now, unless I had nipples, I'd say nipples.
Painstaking.
Painstaking. Yeah, you fucking doing it, dude. It's painstaking, all right.
It's just such a pain.
You fucking it up, Barry.
And
a fucking 6-year-old could do that shit.
Oh, gosh, Hector
for crying out loud.
A couple days from Facebook Marketplace. It was the Pro Bullet.
And Barry, it wasn't Marketplaces because you posted that shitty ass rust bucket you call a Mach None on a fucking pro touring group when it's not a pro touring car.
Trying to flex like there's something you're not, as always.
Group on Facebook.
So, for you to be a fucking Facebooker there, buddy, you don't know the difference between Marketplace and a group.
What a joke he is. He badgered me on
He's a joke, but you call him a joke, but yeah, he drives every...
You seen his fucking
Yeah.
Have you seen the shit he's got?
He can at least drive his shit.
They call Beaver & Son Junkyard. And I'm sorry.
It is a junkyard. Look, there's a metal chair there. There's tires everywhere. Spin around, Barry. There's a pool ladder. There's junk right there. I mean, I see junk everywhere.
I personally talk to this man. He calls me sometimes, man. He's got common sense. He's got brains. He can talk. He can carry a conversation.
I don't know where he
Every other word was my thing, bragging about what he's got and how badass his shit is.
If you got a little dirt on your boots, well, here's what we say.
The Hobbit's gonna talk like he's badass.
Joe Dirt, Joe Toledo, little dirt on my boots.
Those are tennis shoes, Barry.
What the fuck does that even mean?
Yeah, now he's gone to the resort of heckling my son.
Because you blocked him.
My son
Because
on
you're a little
Facebook. There
bitch.
should be a crime if you attack a man.
It should be a crime to have an
And then
opinion.
attack his son. So
To say something somebody don't like
let me
should be a
get my
crime,
hands
huh?
on you, Joe. I'm going to call you Joe Dirt because we're going to put.
Hey, Barry. I like to point this out. Didn't you say if I called you a pedo to your face, you were going to put my face in there and beat my ass? But yet, I called you a pedo and you didn't do shit. So I'd stand there and scream and scare a little girl. So,
Terrify a child. That's
so-
what you did.
to everybody on YouTube, to everybody that could see that video, you look like a bitch. Even those dudes that you play PlayStation with, you look like a bitch.
Even the dude that's at the fucking show hollers to you. A little less talking, a little more action, motherfucker.
You can hear it in the video.
I mean,
You look like a bitch. If they called me a pedo, I'm gonna fucking put his face in there. You didn't do shit. So I'd stand there and scream like the bitch you are.
Down in the dirt, you know, I'm gonna put your face right in the mud.
You ain't gonna do shit besides talk tough and on fucking Facebook or on YouTube thinking you're a Billy Badass.
Wait a minute,
We'll have to
listen.
call the FBI in to find you.
Listen.
You know,
Let's say in a minute. This
I'll
is
never
always
find
something
you.
to
I'll
do.
get my
Listen.
hands on you here. If you think about touching my
Wait for it.
son, you're. Yeah, that's,
Yeah, you're a little coward
they'll
little
never
weasel.
find you. I'll bury you somewhere. I don't know. Maybe I'll send something.
There you go. That's how you're going to do something.
Yes,
You're going
you
to
do.
jump somebody. You're going to send somebody. As far as Barry Beamer himself doing shit, he ain't going to do shit. Besides scream, shout, and yell. That's what he's going to do.
I got 9 motherfucking reasons why it ain't gonna happen to me.
I mean,
Actually, 16 reasons why it ain't gonna happen to me.
Crime. Now you've attacked my son, so.
Yeah, well, alert should be able to. He's 40 fucking years old. He should be able to handle his own without daddy having to get his back.
You know,
Because I didn't run my daddy and hide behind my daddy, did I, Barry? I stood there and laughed at you and fucking called you a pedo.
You attacked your
what,
child.
what
dude,
what
you
incapable,
have no
what stops
clue.
your son from taking a punch?
You had no clue.
What's wrong with
You
him?
attack my son, I'll get you.
That's what I want to know.
I'll get
You ain't gonna get shit, Barry, unless you got 60 fucking dudes with you. You ain't about that life. You had your chance to prove you're about that life and you fucking failed.
I can't see the man saying he's only a he don't. I mean, he's not even within fucking 5 states of you.
Yeah.
He told me the story. I got the story right here. And if he wants to voice it, he can voice it.
Joe Tornado.
I'm not gonna
Dirt,
put it out
Joe
there.
Tornado, Joe Dirt Toledo. Yeah, you're a piece of shit, dude.
He's a better man than you, Barry.
You're a coward. That's all I can say for him, you know. Look him up on Facebook, guys. Send him a prayer request.
See what I mean?
Joe
This
Tornado.
okay for you, Barry?
So it was okay for you to do this, but what's wrong with us doing
What's
this,
the
Barry?
problem, Barry? More hypocritical shit from your mouth, right, punk? I mean,
And I want to know something, okay? Do you not understand how you make your boy look, Barry? Are you fucking retarded? You literally went to this kid's middle school and walked him the fuck around, held his hand, and walked him to class because he was getting bullied. Do you realize how you made your boy look? Because I tell you, if I was a bully, that would give me extra ammo to use against
just went in
Ryan.
the yard, kicked him in the fucking nuts, and said, "A punch ain't gonna hurt no worse than that, boy. Handle it." What should have done?
You should have taught him what my dad taught me when I was getting bullied. Take it away from him. They call you retarded? Say, fuck yeah, I'm retarded. Tell me something I don't know. I'm ugly. I'm stupid. I'm goofy. I'm fucking inbred. Take it away from him and laugh at yourself. But neither you or Ryan are capable of that.
Where he was from, but there can't be many of them. I think it's a Facebook, you know, he's a Facebooker, but I think it's a fake account. I think,
Look at the fucking
I think everybody
separation
needs to
of that
report
company.
him.
That is just
Yeah.
awesome, dude.
and then getting banned off Facebook. What a piece of garbage, man.
Barry,
He should be banned for having an opinion about your junk.
because you posted your shit where everybody can comment about it. How many of the comments Barry was like, hell yeah, that's a decent pro touring car?
Name off 5 comments that you got that was good ones.
Tell you this, Barry. Ain't nobody involved that's involved, whether it's me, Fasting, Lipstick, Mako, fucking Still Scrapper Kingdom. Ain't none of us a shitty human being like you. Ain't none of us gonna watch porn with our dads, our fucking grandpas, or anything like that. Ain't none of us gonna be hitting on our sons' old ladies, our father's old ladies. And at 60 fucking 1 years old, I could promise you that I wouldn't be doing the nasty fucking shit you're doing because it's fucking disgusting.
Makes you a minor attractive person, fool. By definition. I'm gonna call that, dude. Before the end of summer, Barry's gonna have another pile of shit or two sitting around the house. And instead of taking the money he spent on them piles of shit and putting a roof on his house, putting heat in his house, I mean, doing anything to make their lives better. Clean the garage out, get him a shop to work in for the winter so he can prove everybody wrong. I mean, instead of him doing anything like a responsible adult would do, he's gonna go buy a couple more pieces of shit, at least one, and not put a dime and make any of these fucking cars presentable runners.
And one more thing, you want to talk about Fasting? Everybody, go watch Fasting shit. He's got a Ford. I don't know what exactly it is. I can't remember what. It's green.
Thanks for Granada.
It's
remember
fucking.
what he said.
It is 10 times, 30 times solider and nicer than anything you have sitting in your driveway, Barry.
Right. I mean, again, quantity does not overtake quality. Man.
Fuck. One of his mock.
The more you have does not make you a man, Barry,
Fuck.
like you think it does.
His fucking Fox body collection that he's got going on. Them cars are nicer than the piles of shit you have.
You're going to claim here in a minute that any of these cars from starting down the road, well, hop in one and drive it to fucking Walmart. Dude.
Like a cyber.
Because I daily drive my daddy's Corvette. What's stopping
He
you?
came on the channel and left another nasty comment. I don't remember what it was now, but it was nasty as everything
And
else.
we remedied that, Barry.
And
They
I'm
don't
gonna
have to
tell
do your
you
channel
guys,
comment no more. They got all the comment. They can come and comment
If
all
you
they want
don't
about
like my
you.
YouTube
And roast
channel,
you.
You don't like it there either.
Hence why you ain't doing videos. You're doing 1 minute videos, 2 minute
This
videos.
is for the people that love us. We're not
Love
doing this
you.
for you people that
Ain't
don't
nobody
like-
loving you,
don't
Barry.
Like our stuff, okay? You don't like our stuff.
You haven't had any loving since the Reagan administration.
Dirt.
Unless you took it.
YouTube channel.
You haven't seen your pecker since the Reagan administration.
Okay? And we're not Uncle Tony's ugly cousin or grandpa either,
You
okay?
fucking
I
wish
got
you was
nothing
Uncle
to
Tony's
say
fucking
bad about
cousin.
Uncle Tony. He's great. We love Uncle
You
Tony.
wish you were that man.
Okay?
Dude.
Don't get me wrong for saying go to see Uncle Tony, okay? Uncle Tony will deal with you, okay?
I don't have an
He's
opinion
used
either way
to
on
it,
Uncle
okay?
Tony, but
We
he's
don't want to
fucking.
put up with it.
You wish you was half as successful. Listen, if you like Uncle Tony or you don't like Uncle Tony, this motherfucker here wishes he was half as successful and half as good a hustler as Uncle Tony is. He hustles. He gets things done, whether you like him or you don't. I have
Barry,
no problem with him. I'm not saying that at all. Don't nothing bad about Uncle Tony. But
hell, I enjoy his content.
yeah, I mean,
Listen, how many YouTubers from the guy that we just started reviewing on down the line do you hear going, go to see this YouTuber? I don't want to deal with you because I'm a big old bitch, but I'll send you to somebody else and they can deal with you.
unlike you, Barry, you talk about why ain't we building our own shit. We work on it when we can. Unlike you, we have to hustle every day. We hustle to pay the bills because ain't nobody coming here cutting us a check to pay our bills, and they shouldn't.
We
You gotta
have
make your
to turn
own way,
our
bud.
comments off, and I've suggested to my son, and so we may do that. So for you guys that are
Because you're a
real-
bitch, Barry.
say
You
very
are a
correct,
bitch. You can't
lovers,
take the
that's
good
it.
with the
What do you
bad.
think about that? What do you think about
You
that?
don't understand how to run
How
a
do you
business.
feel about
You
that?
don't think Uncle Tony gets
Give me a comment on the
tons and
people
tons
that,
of horrible.
you know,
He's had
that knows
channels
who
made
you
after him and
are,
everything
you know,
else.
the
I
people
mean,
that leave comments. Let me know your opinion on that. I don't want to.
He understands you got to take the good with the bad.
Right.
Some really good subscribers.
if you want to be
And I
on
got some
YouTube, you're
great
gonna have to take
people
some
watching,
shit.
and I really love my, interaction with my,
You
with my
love
people.
people when they tell you how great you are, and how
Fucking-
nice your shit is.
Today, Junior.
People like this guy, I'm gonna have to turn the comments off. So let me know your.
'Cause you're a
opinion
bitch,
on
Barry.
that. Rick Beamer and Son Garage.
That proves it.
That's why you'll never be a successful YouTuber.
And the
That
ones
right
that don't
there.
have
That's it.
anything
That's
good to say,
facts,
that
Jack.
we don't want to hear from you.
Look,
Don't leave it.
look, I challenge y'all. Go find one video on this channel or my main channel where I've deactivated the comments. Go find one live where it was subscriber only mode.
Or we've attacked somebody for saying something negative or bad. Unless you're standing up saying, hey, it's cool that Barry looks at fucking 16, 17, 18-year-old kids, then that's a little different.
Your comment, I'm gonna block you.
You don't have to
You're
like
a fool,
us,
you're an
like him,
idiot.
or like me.
You're a dumbass. Okay, there we go.
So,
I said it, okay.
hang on, Barry. So, they're a fool, right? Your words, right? Well, I ain't seen Fasting rig a fucking HDI to a toggle switch because that's the best he could do. He goes to a 12-volt source like anybody else.
Solid plugs into a master cylinder, talking about I gotta have the plugs there.
So I bet he could look at a starter solenoid on an RV or a fucking Ford and go, "Hey, the starter ain't even hooked up to this."
I'll bet the man probably not probably. I'll bet the man can use a fucking ohm meter, a multimeter. I bet he can. I mean, I know he can.
We're going back to what grinds my gears, kid, you know?
It should be a crime, Barry, that you're using Family Guy shit.
Obvious.
Dude,
We don't
you
want
couldn't
to,
even
you
see
know,
that the wires went on the other side of the cylinder.
Yeah.
We don't want to hear it, you know? We don't want to hear
And there's
it.
one right in front of his face with a red shrink on it.
Leave us a message. Say, hey, man, I used to have them wheels. I had them on a Dodge Charger. Or, hey, I had some Magnums. You know, those are the kind of comments we like to hear. Oh, you did? What year Mustang did you have? Oh, cool, you know? And that's the kind of stuff we like, okay? We're car guys.
So unless they're sucking your
No,
cock, you don't
Barry.
hear from them.
You're a car killer, a
Joe
car
Dirt,
hoarder.
Tornado is, he's a driver.
As you will
queen,
prove
know?
soon when you
We
drag
don't
more
do that,
junk
okay?
home.
So leave us a
Instead of
nice
fixing
comment.
the
Don't
junk
leave
you
us a
have.
Right.
That's how we feel about it.
Instead of putting a roof on your fucking house, instead of cleaning up that property, so when you die here in a couple of years, your kid don't have to deal with all the shit because you've already said he's weak. He can't do shit like that.
And watching our channel. I said, yeah, I'm going to look into that. What I can do to block
I
somebody.
mean, instead of making his fucking life easier for when you die, because Barry, your time's
Okay,
coming.
he's gonna go into shout outs here in a minute, so I'm gonna end it there. But Barry, you can't block somebody from viewing your shit, as you've seen with me and Mako and everybody else. Now, I do want to say something, okay?
You want to say something?
So, you want to talk about this, okay? Why ain't Ryan like me? At least I can stand on my own and call you a bitch and a fucking loser. Well, why does he need Daddy to get on a fucking rant for him?
Because from everything I understand, Ryan don't like all this. Ryan don't want all this.
Like,
He's like stuck with Barry, dude. I mean, I'm not explaining.
Like, I don't get on here, I don't have my daddy get on here and rant to you, like, oh, you come after my kid. No, I'll tell you you're a fucking pedo to your face and you won't do shit. I'll laugh in your fucking face and you're going to walk away.
If you do something, there'll be consequences for that shit. I mean, you're not just getting away with fucking assaulting somebody or causing a scene the next place we're at and you show up. You're not going to get away with causing a scene, buddy. You're going to answer somebody for it. On God, you're going to answer somebody.
By the way, you guys seen your pumpkin run? Oh, never mind. I forgot. My bad.
What are you doing that weekend this year, Barry?
So, as always, you guys, don't forget, check out our friends Mako, Fasting, Lipstick Garage, Still Scrapper Kingdom. We'll be back in a minute. Fuck you, Barry. Leave them kids alone. And, as far as Fasting goes, he is fucking 10 times the mechanic you'll ever be.
Sorry, I had to change your mom's camera.
And Barry, why don't you do a Mr. Obvious now? Maybe that'll get you some views because your views suck ass. You only put out 1 minute, 2 minute videos. The rest of the time you're trying to get your subs up by putting shorts out of the same
shorts,
shit.
different names, different titles. I think that should be a video in itself.
And the 4th of July, shouldn't that have been yesterday? Or I mean, not the 5th. Should have been done on the 4th. Just saying. But you were too busy on PlayStation
Hey, where was all them
playing
great
video
friends
games.
at? 'Cause that's what the 4th is about, folks. It's about hanging with your friends, watching some fireworks, having a cookout. For most people, I mean, hanging with your family. Where's all your family? Barry, your daughter bring her grandkids over and they all hang out and ride them. You ride them on them go-karts and shit. I mean, you have all this shit, man. You're just a piece of shit, dude. I mean, you're not a grandpa by even the G in grandpa. You're not a father. You're not a father anyway. You might be. I haven't seen your daughter yet. See if she looks like you, but you ain't Ryan's daddy.
I think it's the Milkman.
No, that's a dope man.
Dope Man, you singing?
Or one of his buddies.
I think it's one of his buddies.
I was heard it was one of his buddies, what I was told. I was told that back in the day, Barry couldn't get along with anybody for very long. And there's somebody that he don't get along with from that time. He knows who it is. That's probably Ryan's dad.
Well, think about it. What better fucking way than
If
to...
I ever catch the motherfucker's name, Barry, don't worry, I'll be sure to shout out so you know I'm telling you the truth. But
And I gotta quit. I got something to say, Barry. I want to know how it feels, dude. How the fuck does it feel that one of your ex-best friends stuck it to your old lady and then left you with the kid? I mean, that's a piece of shit move, but it's kind of fucking comical. Hence why you just left Ryan with your fucking his grandparents, and said, fuck him.
because you can't even say it don't matter, I raised him, because you didn't raise him. Your mom and dad raised him.
Your mom carried health insurance on him, not you. And Barry, call me a
Paid
liar.
for his school books, all that shit.
And Barry,
His
call me.
medicine.
And Barry, call me a liar. Say that you weren't looking for the fucking will. Not your mom wasn't even cold yet. Say it, because I want to put your misspelling ass fucking letter out here where you look fucking illiterate as fuck. I can't spell, but you got me beat.
If it was after his mom died, then his dad had to still be alive. So I don't always worry about the fucking will anyway, because his dad was still in charge of everything.
Because people will laugh their
They was
ass off
married.
if I put this letter out. Because your misspellings, not even no spaces, everything's all clumped together.
I'm sure that all their finances was tangled together. They're married, dude.
I mean, I
Your
can't.
mom couldn't die and will you everything. Your dad's still alive. How would that work?
I mean, I can't fucking spell, but you got me beat
It's
on
not
that.
like she was rich, got with your dad, and had her own money, and she can do what she wants with her own money here. No, her and your dad was together for most of their adult lives, so their estate is together. She couldn't die and will you everything anyway, or your boy. Think, McFly.
I mean, you couldn't even spell dumbass. Fast thing had to comment back and tell you how to spell dumbass.
Garbage, dude.
So be right back, you guys. Fuck you, Barry. See you guys next
Hey,
time.
Barry, I did find somebody that you're a little better than, though. So.
I don't know. It takes y'all both about fucking 4 years to even do something on a car. So
Now, we opened up the playpen. We took out the baby maker and opened up the playpen. Yeah. Winnie! We've had somebody take parts off of it since it's been sitting there. Oh. Yeah, they better be watching it. I catch anybody out here, I'm going to shoot them. He just bought a grill, and I think the grill... Hey, kids. One beautiful mom over there. She looks really young.
$10 for that radio.
She might even be the mom. She might be the mom's other child. Beautiful lady, though. Beautiful girl. So here's what we're looking. I couldn't stand the stink in there if I went in his lobby or his apartment. You know what I mean? Them guys are nasty. You know that, right? And black people don't take a bath. Oh my God. They got these. They get these what they call ringworms in their head. Oh my God. And talk about lice. Oh my God. And the women are just as nasty. Oh God, no. I was like, who would do? Oh. They stink that bad. Oh. And their clothes are probably all just ugh, you know. Oh my God. Yeah, I had one of them.
Is that why Ryan don't have a mom around? That's David. Yeah, that's your ass. I really do know Ryan. You look like a walking amputation, baby. You know what I mean? Not being embarrassed about it like that.
Tell these motherfucking people, what the fuck do you mean by that? What do you mean by he looks like a walking cancer patient? What is your meaning behind that? So you can't say, oh, they're editing my shit, making me say these things. No, Barry.
So, I'm gonna jump off here, Barry. This proves even further you're a piece of shit.
Attack him. I didn't do anything to him.
I know, but the language.
Anytime, boy! Anytime!
Come on, Dad, let's go. This is in the 70s, Dad.
Coward!
Scared me.
Come on, Dad, let's go.
Hey, it takes a bigger man to
He's got his camera off. Coward!
kind of weird. You want to fuck a 25-year-old? What's your mouth?
Come the fuck on, motherfucker!
Sir.
Please, Dad, come on, let's go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Come on, Dad, come on.
You come to my show, you run your goddamn cocksuckers. Yeah, you motherfucker.
Please, Dad. Come on, Dad. He's right. There's kids. Come on, Dad.
Attack him. I didn't do anything to him.
I know, but the language.
Anytime, boy! Anytime!
Come on, Dad, let's go. This is in the 70s, Dad.
Coward!